As some of you guys already know, I help out Stephen Red and his rally program. He has a pretty sweet car and he runs a lot of competition rally stuff. Well, he just recently set up a test day with Warfighter Outfitters, and what they did is they gave veterans a ride in a rally car on a full actual rally stage for free. So I jumped at the chance to help out and volunteer, take some video, do whatever I could. So this is the result. So sit back and watch. All these people riding in the passenger seat are veterans that got to go do this for free thanks to Warfighter Outfitters. I'll leave a link for those guys in the description below, so check it out.
So when you're swapping out, you'll finish. The rally car will come back in here in the pit. We'll swap out.
If you guys watch this channel enough, you already know things don't always go as planned. Well, this day was a perfect example of that. All these veterans were supposed to ride with Stephen, but as you're about to see, that didn't go so well for Stephen.
Dave, tell us what the plan was today.
Not to blow up on the start line.
Yeah. Shit happens with race cars.
Welcome to racing. We'll get everybody a ride, but not in this car.
Yeah.
Not today, anyway.
Oregon City.
Bummer.
Luckily, everybody else that was there just to test their cars stepped up and gave all the veterans a ride, and so everybody got a ride, and it worked out really, really well.
Yeah, right where the shadow is.
Yeah. Not supposed to see into there.
So you're saying that's not a good thing?
No. They're not supposed to be a vent hole there. That stuff right there.
Oh, now he did it.
Yeah.
There's chunks all the way back there.
I think, yeah, well, there is, for sure. But I think they just ended up back there from up here.
Oh, here comes Steve with the light.
Not the way we want to end a test day, even though I would still consider it a successful test day, just not for this car.
I loved every second of that.
Good. Well, that was great. You were a great passenger.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
I'm glad to hear that.
Well, thank you for riding along.
Oh yeah, thank you for having us.
You got it.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Can't wait to do it again.
Good, good, good.